Facial expressions are one of the most important nonverbal cues in business interactions. A smile, for example, can convey warmth and openness, while a frown can signal dissatisfaction and disapproval. It is important to note that different cultures may interpret certain facial expressions differently, so it is crucial to be aware of cultural differences when communicating with people from different backgrounds. We will discuss how to overcome cultural differences in nonverbal communication later in the course. Eye contact is also essential and it shows that we are paying attention and we are engaged in the conversation. It can convey interest, respect, confidence. However, it is important to maintain appropriate eye contact, as too much or too little can be perceived as uncomfortable or disrespectful. Posture. Posture is another critical nonverbal cue. Standing up straight and maintaining good posture signals confidence and competence, while slouching, crossing our arms can convey defensiveness or discomfort. Our posture can also impact our breathing and the vocal projection, which affects the tone of our voice. Hand gestures can also convey various emotions and attitudes such as enthusiasm, assertiveness, nervousness. However, it is important to use appropriate hand gestures, as some gestures may be considered offensive or inappropriate in certain cultures. Again, we'll talk more about difference in cultures later in the course. Finally, the tone of voice is another critical nonverbal cue. It is the way we say something rather than what we say. The tone of our voice can convey confidence, authority, warmth, or aggression. It is important to match our tone of voice with the message we are trying to convey and to be aware of the impact that our tone may have on the listener. Understanding the power of nonverbal communication is essential for success in business. By becoming aware of the different types of nonverbal cues we use to communicate, we can enhance our interaction with managers, leaders, co-workers, business clients, and regular people in our life, friends and family, and develop useful nonverbal skills for professional and use it also in our regular life. Whether we are presenting to a group, negotiating a deal, or simply having a conversation, our body language and other nonverbal cues can make a significant difference in how our message is perceived and how successful we are in our business interactions, and again, also in our personal connections.